memecoin trading, how to find memecoin early and trade safely using DexScreener and Phantom Wallet. If you are interested in this tutorial, kindly give me your full attention. Have you ever seen a memecoin shoot up 100x and thought, if only I found this earlier? What if I told you there is a simple step-by-step method to spot those coins early and trade them safely using just your phone, DexScreener and Phantom Wallet? But before you rush off thinking this is a get-rich-quick trick, stop it there, because this video is not about hype. It's about strategy, safety, and smart trading. Hear this disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Every day, thousands of new memecoin launch. Some become next viral hits and other disappears overnight. The truth is, most people lost money in memecoin trading not because they are unlucky, but because they buy too late or fall for scams known as rug pulls. So in this video, I will show you exactly how I find memecoin early, filter out risky ones, and take safe, consistent profits using DexScreener and Phantom Wallet, even if you are a beginner. Some traders believe memecoins are just jokes or trends. Think of Dogecoin or Pepcoin. They don't always have deep utility like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Instead, their price moves mainly because of hype, community activity, and market sentiment. Let's start from the basics. A memecoin is a cryptocurrency that usually inspired by internet jokes or trends. Because of this, memecoins are highly volatile. They can rise or fall fast. So the key is not gambling or guessing, but learning to identify early signals safely. To achieve our aim for this tutorial, we have like 4 to 5 solutions. Solution number 1 is setup and tools. So first thing is, we need 2 free tools. Number 1 is DexScreener. The second one is Phantom Wallet. To get the DexScreener or Phantom Wallet, go to Play Store or App Store and install both apps. This is my Play Store. Search for DexScreener, then you have it. Just install it. DexScreener is a live chat platform. CHART platform where you can track new coins and analyze data. For Phantom Wallet, search the same place, then you have it. Just click on install. Phantom Wallet is a secure wallet for the Solana blockchain where you can store and trade your coins. So for DexScreener, let's start from it. Click on open. Then let's do DexScreener basic setup. First, set the time frame to 24 hours so you can track daily movement. To achieve that, click on this time frame, then select 24 hours. 2. Under ecosystem, which is all chains here. Click it, then select Solana. That's the blockchain you will use. The third thing to do, under the exchange, which is this place, all DEXs, decentralized exchanges. Click it, then select Radium. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Good. Now, these filters help you see coins trading on the Solana network with active liquidity. Some people still use the Ethereum chain for memecoin hunting, but I personally prefer Solana because it is faster and cheaper. What do you think about this? Drop your opinion below. I would love to hear from you. Solution part 2. Filter settings for safety. Filter settings for safety. Now let's adjust the screener so we only see coins with a better chance of being safe and active. Here is how. Tap on sort. Set it to price change up 6 hours. This helps you find coins just beginning to rise, not already peaked. PEAKED. Next, go to liquidity. Just slide this to the left side first so that we can see liquidity. Good. This is liquidity. Click on it. Set minimum liquidity at $250,000. You can type it here or click on this. button. If you enter it manually, just click on apply. But if you click on this, there's no need of clicking on apply. It will automatically take action. $250,000 as the minimum. That is the amount of money currently locked in the market. Lower liquidity can mean higher risk. I hope you understand me. Let's move to the next settings. Let's go and look for the pair age. Drag this to the left again. Click on pair age. Here, choose coins older than 7 days. I repeat, choose coins older than 7 days, which is minimum hour is not by days. The duration is not days, it's in hours. So we have to put minimum of 7 days. If you convert 7 days to hour, that will give us 168 hours. So in the minimum hour, I would type 168 there. That is 168 hours. Why I set this is because most scams happen within the first week. I repeat, most scams happen within the first week. So that is why I set this there. Many people don't know this. Now click on apply. Next one, click on market cap. Under market cap, set a range between $500,000 to $1 billion, which is minimum of $500,000, then maximum of $1 billion. Maximum is even optional, but this minimum is very, very important. Let me put it there. Then click on apply. Or if you want to put $1 billion as the maximum, you can apply it also. In the maximum here, tap on it, then type 1, then followed by 0 in 9 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then click on apply. These settings filter out brand new risky coins and focus on established meme coins with stable movement. I repeat, it helps us to filter out brand new risky coins and focus on established meme coin with stable movement. Some traders go after brand new tokens to catch the next 100x, but at times I think patience and safety win more often. Do you agree with me? Because person like me, I usually test run different things. Do you agree with me? Or do you prefer the high risk, high reward games? Solution part 3. Verify before you buy. Before jumping into any coin, verify 3 things. First one is market cap versus volume. I repeat, market cap versus volume. The market cap should be higher than the trading volume. If the volume is larger, it might just be a hype or short-term pop activity. So don't forget, I repeat, market cap should be higher than the trading volume. So from here now, before you even select any coin at all, don't forget the golden rule. So considering this first one I'm giving you now, don't forget it's 3, but let me use the first one first to pick from here. Consider this first one here, this one. Look at the market cap, $58.9 million. Look at the volume, $819,000. So I think I'm okay with that one. Then look at this one also. Second one, market cap is what? $164 million. Why trading volume is what? $3.6 million. So you see that this filter really helps us. At least you are seeing some coin that makes sense here now. Let me click on this first one here before heading to the second verification. You know, I told you that you need to verify 3 things. The first one is what? Market cap versus volume. The second one now is called logged liquidity. Look for a padlock icon on DexScreener. This is it. This one have it. This is padlock icon. That means the liquidity is locked. So the creator can't easily withdraw all the funds and disappear. It is locked. It's okay like that. I think we are good to go, right? That is not all. It remains the third verification, which is audit information. Please, if you are very new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. In Anogo, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I beg everyone, please like this video and share this video. Let me drop this and beg you specially, please share this video. Please, that is the favor you can do for me, at least for my efforts. You have questions, drop it for me in the comment section, and trust me now, I will respond to that as soon as possible. And if you want to enroll for my course, check the pinned comment. You see link to connect with me to enroll for my crypto course. So the third one is audit information. Audit information. You have to check if the coin is not mintable and not freezable. To do that, scroll down, keep scrolling. Good. When you get to this place, click on this icon here to see what is inside. Good. Now look at it. Mintable, no. Freezable, no. Mintable means new tokens can still be created, which can cause inflation and devalue your holding. While freezable means developer can freeze wallets and not something you want in a fair token, right? This now, no, we are good to go. So the three verification we do now, I think we are seeing green lights. But to give you bonus safety check, we have to make use of TTF bots just to double check any meme coin. So next thing to do now is to go and copy this token's contract address so that we can go and double check it. How are we going to do that? Let me show you where to copy the contract address. Here, click on this. You see? Good. Now click on it. You will see it now. Good. Address copy to clipboard. Next thing now is to move straight to Telegram. Click on the search bar. Then type TTF bot. I think this is it. Tap on it. Good. Now from here, now paste the contract address we copied. Click on enter. Now let's see what will happen now. Good. Here are the advantage of using these bots. First, the bot will give us details like whether the ownership is renounced. I mean, the developer gave up control. That is first thing. The second one is the top holder percentage. Get all those secrets there. The third one is if liquidity is still safe. The fourth one is whether the coin is mintable or not. Then kindly note this down. A healthy coin should have 1. Renounced ownership. Let's check. Look at the ownership. Renounced. It passes it, right? Second one, I'm still talking about the good or healthy coin. Second one, a healthy coin should have locked liquidity. Now come and see. Liquidity 100%. Then look at this. Looks clean to me. This is a good green light. Looks green to me. This is one of the first things you have to check. Looks clean to me. And the third one, a healthy coin top 10 ownership must have less than 30% of the total supply. Let's check. Look at it. Look at the holder here. Look at the holder. Top 10 is what? Top 10 here is what? 33.68%. Only this one spoil this coin for me. I will not lie to you. Every other thing good, but this one spoiler. So if I were you now, I will go and look for another coin. Let me quickly run another coin. Now. We will check. Click on this one. Copy the contract address. Come here. Paste it. Enter. Hey, whoa. This one was. Look at the holder. Top 10, 81.26%. You know the risk behind this. If top 10 are people that, let's assume they know each other, because at times some people is a plan work. All of them will just come out their money brew like this. Before you see now, all of you are in trouble. So if top 10 are holding more than 30% of the total supply, that coin is somehow. You have to be very careful. Oh God, my enemy don't suffer. Before I see the top 10 holders with less than 30% of the total supply, I have checked like 4-5 coins. Now at last, I'm able to get one here. Look at it. Top 10 holders, 20.65%. Some people will just rush online, look at random tutorial and go online to trade. You can fall victim of this kind of problem and land yourself in trouble. So you have to be very, very careful. Please give me a like on this video if you think this really makes sense to you. And look at this is good. Look at this. Ownership renounced, liquidity locked. Let me show you some that I got before this one. Look at it. Liquidity unlocked. This one even worse. Top 10 holders, 81.26%. So we are good to go with this last one here. Let's go back. So this is the coin. Mintable no, freezable no. So I'm okay. So don't forget 3 things I said a healthy coin should have. If any token fail these checks, then skip it. There will always be another one. I mean, another opportunity. Just like how I got this one. So just skip it, look for another one, then verify it. Now, solution part 4. That is finding entry signals. Now that you have found a clean coin, then let's talk about when to enter. So click on the chart and change the time frame to 4 hours. A higher time frame gives you more reliable signals and filter out fake moves. Do you understand me? A higher time frame gives you more reliable signals and filters out fake moves. So let's put it 4 hours now. Good. This is cool. The next thing now is to read the candlestick patterns. At this junction, and I will recommend some of my video I have made in the past for you to go and watch to know how to study market so as to know when to come into the market, when to buy, and when to be patient. So you have to go and watch this video now to equip yourself more on how to read patterns. You know how to read patterns. Oh my God, you are already in money. I'll drop the link to the video. Just check the pinned comment or description to this video, or after watching this video now, I'll give you a link to go and watch it. Yeah, either right or left. So there are many signals or patterns. One of it is bullish engulfing candlestick. You can also use it to determine your direction, to know when to buy. I bet that video is very important. I want to go and watch it. I'll drop in the pinned comment or description to this video. It will tell you on how to read candlestick and predict the price or market movements. The last hint I want to give you now is profit management and compounding. You know what? Meme coin move fast, so don't get greedy. You can set just small profit targets. For instance, now I think I have copied the contract address before. Let's go to, what is it called? Phantom Wallet. Since we have gotten our coin now, the next thing is to trade it, make money, you know. Since we have gotten our coin now, next thing is to trade it, of course. So click on this search icon, then paste the coin. It's still loading it. It's still loading it. Good. It has seen it. So click on this one, first one here. Then from here now, you can buy the coin. You can still also study the coin from here to analyze the market movements. Just try to set small profit targets like 10% to 20% per trade. Don't be greedy. Don't forget, don't be greedy. You can make multiple trades per week and still grow your account safely. Let's say you start with $30, then you make 20% profit per trade. Let's say like you're able to make 3 trades per day. That is roughly 1.7 multiplied by growth per day. And if you keep compounding, I mean reinvesting profits for 7 days, your $30 could grow mathematically even to over $1,000. But note, this is just a mathematical example, not a guarantee. Results depends on real market condition and your discipline. The goal here is not luck, it is consistency. So if you found value in this tutorial, please give me a like on this video, and please, I beg you, share this video. If you have not subscribed before to my channel, do now. Please, I am begging you. If you want to enroll for my course so that you can have time for this step by step and have access with me for question and answer directly, then check the pinned comments. You see link to connect with me and enroll for my crypto course. And if you have questions, drop for me in the comment section. I will respond to that as soon as possible. This video and this video, go and watch them. It will help you a lot. I love you guys. Till next time, see you guys in my next videos.